Are you an Amazon seller and you're looking for a way to generate reviews for your Amazon products? Well, with Azon AI site, you can do just that. Using Azon AI site, you can generate reviews on Amazon websites on your product or on any product that you'd want to. And with the benefit of AI, you can do this seamlessly without any problems. Welcome to Software Safari. My name is Toby and I'll be guiding you through Azon AI site and all that it offers you. When you log in with your email and your password, you're getting access to the dashboard. On the dashboard, you can see little quick tutorials about what WordPress is, how it works, how to install WordPress, how to download and set up your Azon AI Sites plugin, and how to download and set up your Azon AI Sites extension. In the downloads panel, you can see your license key, and also you can choose to download the plugin or download the Chrome extension. We've done all of these. When you return to your WordPress dashboard, you can choose to add your Azon AI plugin. And we'll click on Install Plugins, or you choose to add a new plugin directly. And here we can see all the plugins that we have. As you can see, we've already added the Azon AI sites, but we'll show how to add a new one. Click on Add Plugin, and you click on Upload Plugin. You choose the plugin in a zip file format, and you select it. Open and install. But since we've already installed it, I will not install it. When you click on your Azon AI Sites panel, you can see that you have to enter your authentication key that was in the previous window. You copy and paste it. Enter your Amazon affiliate ID. You enter your Open AI API keys to help you to generate reviews, all with the help of AI. And also you include a button label. You can choose to hide the button if you'd prefer. Then you can save. Once you're satisfied with that, you can open any Amazon website. And when you're on an Amazon website, you can use the extensions. You can click on the Azon AI extension. First, you include the authentication key and your website that you're making reference to, and you connect it. When you connect, you can choose the Azon AI that you want to use. You can choose Amazon India. Then we can select the product that we're looking for and we want to give an AI generated review to. And now that we have this, we can click on the Azon and we can simply generate a review. And once you generate your review, you can copy and paste that review into your website or use it in your own website and link to the Amazon product for others to buy on your website. So as you can see, Azon AI makes creating website reviews for your Amazon products very fast. A link to Azon AI is in the description of this video. And if you have any question, need any clarification, you can ask and we'd love to answer you. See you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe to Software Safari. Goodbye.